Hey everybody, 2006 base Boxster, 65,000 miles. Just had an oil change at the dealer and have a knocking sound. Need some help here. Is it lifter or something more catastrophic? Let's start with the oil level. Seems good. It's full. Let's turn it on. Anyone tell?